Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to call another planet home? Welcome to the captivating world of space colonization, an idea that has stirred the human imagination for centuries. From the subtle whisper of the cosmos in our ears to the mesmerizing allure of the stars that twinkle in the night sky, our fascination with the unknown has always been a driving force behind our desire to explore. Space colonization, the concept of establishing human settlements on other celestial bodies, is not a new thought. It's been a recurring theme in science fiction novels and movies, painting vivid pictures of life beyond our blue planet. But it's more than just a figment of our creative minds. It's a testament to our innate curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unyielding aspiration to push boundaries. The vastness of space has always challenged us to dream bigger, to reach further. The question is, how close are we to turning this dream into reality? The idea of living beyond our earthly confines isn't new. In fact, it dates back to the early 20th century. Around that time, visionaries began to dream of a future where humankind wouldn't be confined to one planet. One such pioneer was a Russian school teacher named Konstantin Tsiolkovsky. Known as the father of astronautics, Tsiolkovsky was among the first to propose the concept of space colonization. He dreamt of a future where humanity could harness the infinite resources of space, even envisioning solar-powered space stations, a concept we are now actively pursuing. Simultaneously, science fiction authors were also pushing the boundaries of the imagination. Arthur C. Clarke, a British author and futurist, penned numerous novels and short stories that explored the idea of space colonization. His works were not just flights of fancy, but were grounded in scientific theory, providing a glimpse into what the future might hold. Clarke's visions of space elevators and lunar bases were radical for their time, but they've played a significant role in shaping our understanding and expectations of space colonization. These early theories and visions were not without their critics, and the challenges they pointed out are still relevant today. The vast distances, harsh environments, and the sheer logistical complexity of sustaining human life in space make the task daunting, to say the least. But these challenges have not deterred us. Instead, they've spurred us on to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. From the early 20th century to today, the concept of space colonization has evolved from mere speculation to a field of serious scientific inquiry. We've gone from dreaming about space colonies to actually designing and planning them. We've developed technologies that can potentially sustain human life in the harsh void of space. We've sent robots to other planets, and we're planning manned missions to Mars. From mere theories and concepts, we've moved towards concrete plans and real technologies. The future of space colonization is unfolding right before our eyes. Today, space colonization is not just a concept buried in science fiction books or theories. It's a tangible goal that humanity is steadily working towards. Our first tangible steps towards this goal began with the establishment of the International Space Station. A cooperative project between 5 space agencies, the International Space Station has been continuously inhabited since 2000, serving as a testament to our ability to live and work in space for extended periods. But the International Space Station is only the beginning. Private companies are now taking the lead in the race to colonize space. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is one such company. With a vision to make life multi-planetary, SpaceX is developing the Starship, a reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to and from planets and moons. And their plans don't stop there. They envision establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars, which could serve as a stepping stone for further space exploration and colonization. However, the path to space colonization is not without its hurdles. There are significant technological challenges to overcome. For instance, we need to develop more efficient propulsion systems to shorten travel times, and we need to figure out how to produce food and water on other planets. There are also questions about how we will manage waste and recycle resources, and how we will protect astronauts from the harsh conditions of space, including radiation and microgravity. Then there are the resource challenges. Space colonization will require vast amounts of materials and energy. Mining resources from other planets or asteroids could help, but this brings its own set of challenges and ethical questions. And speaking of ethics, space colonization raises a host of ethical dilemmas. Who gets to go? Who gets to decide? What happens if we discover extraterrestrial life? These are questions that we, as a global community, need to grapple with as we move forward. But despite these challenges, scientists and engineers are making progress. New technologies are being developed, such as 3D printing and vertical farming, that could make life in space more sustainable. And there are ongoing discussions about the ethical and legal frameworks needed for space colonization. As we look to the future, it's clear that space colonization is more than just a lofty aspiration. It's a goal within our reach. It's an opportunity to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability, to ensure the survival of our species, and to redefine our place in the universe. So as we continue to gaze up at the stars, let's remember that those tiny points of light are not just distant suns and galaxies. They are potential new homes, new frontiers waiting to be explored. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's clear that space colonization has the potential to redefine our existence. Our journey through the history of space colonization reveals a fascinating story of human ambition and ingenuity. We've traveled from the earliest theories, when space colonization was nothing more than a dream in the minds of visionaries, to the present day, when advancements in technology and a deeper understanding of our universe make this dream seem increasingly attainable. We've discussed the technological marvels that have brought us closer to realizing this ambition, from the first moon landing to the prospect of colonizing Mars and beyond. We've explored the challenges that lie ahead, such as sustaining human life in alien environments and the logistical hurdles of interstellar travel. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the future of space colonization is ripe with exciting possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, space colonization stands as a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. It's a reminder that, as a species, we are always reaching for the stars.